Hello, everybody. How are you? It is your favorite English instructor, Professor Ashawn R. Hampton, soon to be Dr. Hampton. Yes, I have 3 more classes to go. I'm almost there. But today I want to talk to you about using AI and how I was really reluctant to use AI tools like ChatGPT, but now I am absolutely hooked. So right now I am working as the State Distance Education Coordinator for adult education. And my job is basically to increase student retention and to improve academic performance in distance learning programs across the state. Now, I am working with a group of teachers who have been very reluctant to use any sort of technology in the classroom, in their teaching instruction. So they are very, I will just say, stubborn. Stubborn about using educational software, that's going to help students learn better and faster. So anyway, on the job, I got somewhat of a complaint about my communication style through email. Now, the complaint was that my responses were very direct, which made me seem unapproachable. And so therefore, teachers in the field were not really asking me questions because they thought I was unapproachable. And that's just based on an email. So my personality style, especially in the workplace, is I am very direct. You want me to answer a question, I have an answer. You want me to solve a problem, that takes information. So my emails were very informative, but the style came across abrasive, is what I was told. Okay. So I needed to send an email to a group of teachers who are taking a technology certification course and to tell them and to remind them that the deadline was soon approaching and that they really needed to finish their last assignments so that they could complete the course on time. All right. So I said to myself, since they think, my emails are short, direct, and abrasive, let me use ChatGPT to write an email in a friendly and pleasant tone, which evidently I don't know how to do. So that is what I did. I told ChatGPT what I needed, and it gave me some information. It gave me content for an email. I had to edit it down to what I needed. But I was like, wow, this is very excellent. So you can begin to use AI very simply in that way in the workplace and in the work that you do. So if you're looking at this video, look at my screen, and I'm looking at ChatGPT, right? The homepage for ChatGPT. Now, I actually paid a monthly fee for premium, but you can do this with the free version as well. So let's do this real time. I am going to type in the scenario I just gave you to see what ChatGPT will give me. Okay, so I wrote, please create an email with a friendly and pleasant tone to remind distance learning teachers in adult education to complete all assignments in the certification course by the June 30 deadline. Remind them that this deadline cannot be extended, and failure to finish will result in loss of certification, which is necessary to teach in distance learning programs. Okay. I'm going to insert online. All right, let's see what it gives me. Okay, so, it gives the format here of an email. It says, I hope this message finds you well. This is a friendly reminder that the deadline to complete all assignments in the online certification course is approaching quickly, June 30. Please remember that this deadline is final and we are unable to offer extensions. In order to maintain your certification to teach in our distance learning programs, it's essential that all course requirements are completed on time. If any assignments are left unfinished by the deadline, you may lose your certification, which is a crucial requirement for teaching in our online programs. If you have any questions or need assistance with any part of the course, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help ensure you successfully complete the course and maintain your certification. Thank you for your dedication to this important professional development opportunity. We truly appreciate the effort you're putting into your work and teaching. Best regards, okay? And I would put my information in there. So what do you think? I can use this, right? And in order to use it, all I have to do is copy it and insert the necessary information I need to insert. And I can go ahead and send this to the teachers. Now, is it pleasant and friendly? Well, it gets the job done. It gives all of the information I needed to give. It gives the explanation that I needed to give. This is exactly why you need to finish on time. So I do appreciate that. And so this is a way that you can use ChatGPT really easily and simply. So I am excited to announce that I am working on launching a course, Prompt Writing Essentials for Better AI Results. In the class, I will give you pointers like that. One thing I have learned in taking doctoral classes is that although I'm taking it 100% online, I still need some student-instructor interaction. I don't know why people think online courses means no live interaction. So I am working on building that within my courses where I offer weekly office hours, but definitely for this course, we will meet at least once a week all together so that, you can ask questions, you can share what you've learned, just to have some interaction with the students. So we're getting ready to start that the first week of July. So go ahead and get registered. Prompt Writing Essentials for Better AI Results. Right now, there is a joining special that may or may not still be active by the time you see this video. So just head to the website, writewelluniversity.com, to see if the special deal is still active. So here, I don't have a whole lot of sales copy because listen, it sells itself. Understand prompt engineering. Just really simply and easily you understand what you're getting with this course. So go ahead and join now while that special deal, while that special deal is still active. All right. Thank you so much for listening. Stay tuned for more videos and happy learning.